I need to start by saying this plainly. I'm not an expert on this, I'm not a woman, and I'm definitely not here to explain women's experiences to them. I'm a bloke. I'm in my 60s. I've been around rugby for a very long time. And I'm worried. Because everywhere we look, the women's game is growing. More players, more coaches, more visibility. And yet, when it comes to refereeing, especially at community level, I keep hearing the same things. Not from reports, not from headlines, but from conversations. Real conversations that I have. Stories about turning up to a club and not knowing where you're meant to change. Stories about being pointed towards a toilet or a cupboard, or being asked, "Are you the physiotherapist?" Or being told, "We didn't realise we'd have a woman ref today." And I want to be really clear here. I'm not saying this happens everywhere, because it doesn't. I'm not saying every club gets it wrong. Many don't. But what I am saying is it happens often enough that it's worth talking about. What worries me most is not just the facilities or the logistics, it's the feeling, that sense of not quite belonging. As a male referee, I've been questioned, I've been shouted at, I've had decisions challenged. That's part of the job. But I've never had my right to be there questioned because of who I am. I've never had my knowledge dismissed before I've walked onto the pitch or blown the first whistle. And I do wonder, how many women stop refereeing not because they don't love the game, but because the environment quietly tells them this wasn't built with you in mind. So if this sounds very clumsy or incomplete, that's because it is. This isn't a finished argument, it's an open one. And this is where I'd really like your help. If you're a woman involved in refereeing, or you've thought about it, or you've tried it and walked away for whatever reason, your voice matters more than mine ever will. And if you're willing to share your experiences, come on the Ref Collective, where you can help paint a fuller picture. Not to point fingers, but to educate people just like me. I genuinely welcome it. Because if people like me are serious when we want the game to grow, then we also have to be serious about listening to people like you. I might not be the right person to tell this story, but I can make sure there's space for it to be